So today we're going to be testing out Lovable.dev, which is like a very highly rated no-code editor, similar to Bolt, Windsurf. We're going to be testing out some of the stuff that you can actually do inside Lovable. So let's kick it off. We're going to sign up for a free account right here. And here we go. Now, what I can see is you've actually got a list of new templates like you can see right here that you can just go through and you can create a mix of tools, websites, apps, etc. Let's just create a random example right now. So I'm going to go with SaaS landing page and let's see what it comes up with. Looks like you've got a chat version. You've also got the history right here and then the code will pop up here. What's interesting as well, you see you connect it to Supabase and you can also connect it to GitHub. And now you can see it's creating the index.css and everything else. Now we've got the website spun up right here. It does feel very similar to Bolt, right? Same sort of style. The design is slightly nicer, I'd say, like the actual font and everything else. And you can also publish projects and share it with people and all that sort of stuff. Now, this didn't cost us a penny to test it out. And if we hit publish and then deploy, we can just easily launch that straight to test domains. Additionally, it seems like you can get subdomain set up as well. So you just create a GitHub repository, grab the URL, take that to Netlify. Pretty simple and easy to do. All right, so you might be wondering, okay, what are the best use cases for this? Number one, I would say ranking new sites with SEO using exact match domain method. Targeting low competition keywords, pretty easy as well. Additionally, you can build new tools and embed them to your site. You can build new apps. You can also rank for branded keywords, right? This is useful for you if you have a big brand and you want to rank multiple times for your brand. And then also reputation management. You can go into Lovable, create your own tools, local rank and rent websites, Black Friday or sort of seasonal landing pages that you want to create and rank. There's just so much you can do with this. Calculator pages, branded pages. Let's kick it off and show you exactly how you can build all of these. Here's an example of a prompt. We're going to create like a keyword research tool right here with an API gate. If we go into this tool, just copy and paste it. You can customize it however you want. You can see the keyword research tool is just built and implemented right there. Of course, you might have to check that it works, go back and forth with it a little bit, but you can actually get like free API keys directly from Google AI Studio and then use those to power your AI tools for keyword research, content creation, content optimization. So for example, we plugged in the API key, selected Gemini, put the SEO niche, worked first time round. We've got a bunch of keywords right here. People are actually searching for them. The other thing I would say here is usually if you plug in an API key into Bolt, for example, that's going to take a lot of back and forth to actually get this right. This seemed to work first time round. I'm just going to go inside Lovable now and say, make the tool actually grade the keyword difficulty, come up with search volume estimates, and make the UI beautiful. I am amazed that this works so fast and that was so easy. Now, obviously you take all of this with a pinch of salt, but it is giving you some good ideas, as I've shown you already. So I'm going to put yoga, for example, see what it comes back with. But one of the things to be aware of here is that you see how these keywords are basically the same and they're not unique. When you're using these tools, you want to make sure that it's actually working properly. Just make sure the keyword ideas are unique to the niche, because otherwise it might be free, but it's fool's gold if you ask me. If we're just getting spun keywords that don't actually get personalized each time we do a search. Now, if you see any errors like this, just click on try to fix it. I'm going to try and build another website next, which is like just building out a basic sort of calculator website. And yeah, you can see it's asking me to upgrade now. So I'm going to upgrade to starter. Now let's build out this website. What we can actually do is if you want to test this side by side to see, okay, is there a big difference between what Bolt can do and what Lovable can do? So I'm going to give exactly the same prompt to Bolt. Let's give it to Lovable as well and just see what we get back from both. So in terms of speed, actually Bolt won, but totally failed in the generation of the website, right? You can see that Bolt just gave us an unexpected error. With Lovable, they've both had errors there. Look at that. Let's try and fix them both. Now, I've got the preview from Bolt there. Let's have a look at the preview from Lovable. Honestly, I can't see a big difference in the design there, right? They basically look exactly the same. They're both about the same word count on the page. They're both responsive. I don't think there's any big difference from what I can see between Lovable and Bolt. And they both break as well. These are fantastic tools, but they're very similar. I see them neck and neck. What I'm also going to do now is try and create an affiliate blog with my Amazon affiliate ID, etc. Plug that in. That's probably taken the longest so far, but I guess it is a bit more of a complex prompt. And there we have the blog ready to go. Not bad at all. And we have the content right there. Let's check this Amazon link. Does it actually work? Yeah, it works perfectly, right? We've just created an affiliate blog right there. Super easy to create that. One thing I just want to test now is actually creating an article. So I'm going to say create an SEO optimized article for this, heading equals, and then we're just going to create some content inside here. By the way, some of you might be watching, okay, with those tools or anything that you create inside Lovable, like how do you actually implement this inside WordPress or a Shopify website, etc. Once you've deployed it, what you do then is just say, give me the iframe code to embed this into my WordPress website. And then what it's going to do is give you some iframe code that you can embed into your WordPress website. Now, if we look at this page created, it's not bad at all. It's created some nice FAQs, content formatted nicely. I would expect that content to be around, probably 500 words, and the content itself is not bad at all. So you can actually create content directly inside these tools. I'm sure with a bit of back and forth, you can create something really nice. You could create that as a LinkedIn post, you could put it onto your website, etc., quality control it, but yeah, pretty nice stuff there as well. You can get all the video notes from today inside my free SEO course. We've talked about some other ideas plus prompts. So for example, building out an affiliate site. I've got loads of copy and paste prompts you can use for that. Also creating like calculator websites, 5-page calculator websites. I've also detailed and documented my process for finding websites like the one I showed you earlier that got 700 clicks in its first couple of months using this process. And I've also shown you a prompt that you can use to generate blog content like you can see right here, so that you can actually generate blog content inside the article. It's all nicely formatted, and then that is ready to go for a blog post or a LinkedIn post or whatever. But honestly, from what I can see, like the main use case of this is using these templates. And then with those templates, you can create something on top of that. You can take this template right here, and then you can use the prompts that I've given you today and insert the tools, all the prompts, all the content or anything else inside those templates. And then they're nicely designed. And that creates something that's more unique from all the other free no-code tools out there. Thanks so much for watching. Like I say, if you want to get the video notes from today, feel free to get that. Link in the comments to my free SEO course. This comes with 50 free SEO tools, a community of 2,500 SEOs. You'll get access to my newsletter, all my quality control processes, topical map, link building processes, etc. All of these as well comes with a step-by-step SOP and video notes so that you can steal the process from me. For example, this SOP right here. And link in the comments and description to that. Now, if you want to get a free one-to-one SEO strategy session, feel free to get that link in the comments and description. We'll show you how we take websites from 0 to 145,000 visitors a month and generate thousands of dollars in sales on autopilot. On this free link building acceleration session, you'll get a free SEO domination plan to discover the secrets of link building. We'll answer any questions you have one-to-one. You'll learn the best link building strategy for your website, plus how to 10x your SEO traffic so that you get more leads, traffic, and sales to your website, because it's all about making more money with your website. So feel free to get that link in the comments and description. Appreciate you watching. Bye-bye.